So, welcome to the podcast. We're doing 3 Mount Rushmores, and they are sports moments, superhero / villain, fictional characters, and appetizers. We'll start with the sports moments. So, it's kind of a draft, so it's going to go me, Nate, Atticus, then Atticus, Nate, me, etc.
Okay.
All right, so if I'm going to go first, I'm going to go with Auburn kick 6 against Alabama, 2012. I remember, it was long ago. I remember watching it still. It was one of the greatest moments of my life because I hate Bama.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with the greatest shot in March Madness history in Mario's Miracle. It capped off a big comeback. 9 down with 2 minutes to go, national championship game, and sent the game to overtime. Then KU ended up winning Bill Self's first national title. Yeah.
I'd say Florida Atlantic beating K-State was pretty cool. Yep. Noel chucking up threes from half court was pretty cool for Florida.
All right, so second round. Man, there's a lot.
Not really.
I will go with, it's kind of a bias, but 2015 World Series, Game 6, Wade Davis shutting the door, and Royals winning the World Series.
There's a video of that. Yeah. That's a good one. Yeah. But it was Game 1 though was the big thing. Alcides Escobar led off with an inside the park home run. That was a good one. But, with my second pick, I don't know. I think that 15-point comeback, for Kansas over North Carolina, biggest comeback in a national title game in history, and obviously never been done before. So I think that's it for me. I think that it was just so impressive that it looked like they were out of it, down 15. The crowd had lost it. Everybody lost it, and then KU just came out firing second half, and obviously won it.
Is it like all sports? Mm-hmm. All right, then I'd say probably Michael Phelps getting the world record for the backstroke or whatever he does, or the butterfly.
I have no clue.
Yeah, he does some swimming
Butterfly.
thing.
I think it's butterfly.
Yeah, and he beat the world record by a lot, so that was pretty cool.
Okay, so third round. I don't know if I should go biased again or just kind of think of actually one that's like.
I haven't been biased, so.
Well, I'm not really into soccer, but I think Messi getting his first World Cup was kind of like Messi. I think better than Ronaldo. So I think Messi winning his World Cup, great.
Soccer's pretty lame though, so.
I mean, but everyone knows Messi though, so.
Yeah, but nobody likes playing soccer, so.
It's Messi.
Ronaldo's better.
I think for me the third one would be Tiger winning the Masters in 2019.
You want to go back to back? I'll go back to back.
Pretty good. Because he came off the back injury and whatever.
I thought that was later. I thought he won it and then got hurt. Was it in 2020 when he got in that crash?
Well, that's a different thing because he had surgery, back surgery before that.
I'd say Jordan putting up 80. I just put up a lot of points. Wait, am I thinking of the wrong person?
That was Kobe, I guess.
Kobe. Same people basically, right? Yeah, he put up 80. That was pretty cool.
Not even close to the same person. So fourth round, final round. Ooh. I think I might go biased here. I mean, even though they went 2-1 on this thing, but Chiefs, past couple years, in the 3 Super Bowls, 1, 2, and then lost one, but those two have really been they've been comebacks, so seeing that in person is kind of cool.
I love a good comeback. I think you got to talk about Caitlin Clark and beating South Carolina in the Final Four. That was just amazing performance. What'd she go like 40 points and 10 assists or something. I don't know. Just some crazy stat line. You gotta observe.
She
Yeah.
brought attention to the women's basketball.
Yeah.
I would probably say LeBron James's performance overall has been pretty incredible. I can't think of another.
Because these are moments.
I can't think of any more moments. I don't watch too many sports.
Just say LeBron's chase down block against Iguodala.
Yeah, I'd say that. That's what I was referring to when I said LeBron James.
Okay. I went the Auburn kick 6, and then I went to Royals game 6, 2015. I went to Messi's first World Cup, and I went to Chiefs 2-1 Super Bowl record in the past 4 years.
So I went the last 2 KU championships, the key moments, and then it was the Tiger Woods win in 2019 or whatever. It was the last one, wasn't it? And then, what did I do? Oh yeah, Caitlin Clark's performance against South Carolina in the Final Four.
I went K-State losing to Florida Atlantic.
Cinderella, obviously that's a great pick. They went to the Final Four.
Yeah.
As a 9 seed. Not many people would have ever thought that.
Yeah.
I know a lot of people picked Memphis to beat Purdue, and Memphis couldn't even beat FAU. So, and obviously Purdue couldn't even beat a 16 seed. So
I picked Michael Phelps's world records butterfly. That was pretty cool. And then Kobe's 80-point game. And then what was my last one?
LeBron's chase down block
Yeah.
against Iguodala.
Yeah.
All right, so next one, superhero / villain.
No, you only do one.
Oh, we only do one.
You only do one, yeah.
Oh,
So we're done.
Let's do this as an add-on. Best sporting moment you've ever been to. Just one. Best sporting moment you've ever seen, like in person.
Oh, in person.
In person.
Ooh,
Bonus material.
in person. Probably game 1 of the 2015 World Series.
you were there too.
Mhm.
I was there too.
First AB, like you said.
Yeah.
Amazing.
And then it went 14 innings. And the Gordon home run though, I think that sent it, didn't it, to extra innings?
Still not. They still should have sent Gordon in 2014.
They
though.
should have, yeah. I agree with that. I'd say the best moment was obviously, stick with it, the 15-point comeback that I've been to.
I can't even remember the last time I went to a basketball or baseball game. I think I went to a K-State game, but it was like a wash.
Atticus Pavlovich putting up 12 and 12 in a JV basketball game.
No, I scored 2 points in JV. Overall,
That's got to be the best
entire
sports
year.
moment you've ever been to, right?
Yeah.
How about winning the championship with Chance Watkins?
Ooh, yes.
Does it count if I'm playing though?
Yeah.
You're there.
You're technically there.
All right, so it was number 2 doubles, JV. It was probably the hardest meet of my life. We faced some really good opponents, a couple of new kids, and Chance actually pulled out the W at the end. Yeah, he kind of carried me.
He's nails, man. He's
Yeah.
nails. He has ice running through his veins.
Mm-hmm.